In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Slides presentation vertical. This is especially helpful when designing flyers, posters, or any presentation that works better in a portrait layout instead of the traditional landscape. First, open Google Slides in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your Google account. From the homepage, you can start a new presentation by clicking Blank Presentation or select a template if you prefer a pre-designed layout. Both options work fine for creating a vertical slide. Once your presentation is open, look at the top menu bar and click File. From the drop-down menu, select Page Setup. A dialog box will appear showing the default slide size, usually widescreen or another preset. Click on Custom to enter your own dimensions. To make your slides vertical, simply swap the width and height measurements. For example, if the default is 16 inches wide and 9 inches high, change it to 9 inches wide and 16 inches high. You can adjust the numbers depending on your project needs. Once entered, click Apply, and your slides will instantly switch to a vertical layout. Keep in mind that changing the orientation may affect how text boxes, images, and other design elements appear, so you might need to adjust them to fit nicely. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your Google Slides presentation to a vertical format ready for flyers, posters, or any portrait-style project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.